Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho. First, char your onions and ginger until they are deeply browned, which adds a crucial smoky depth. Next, toast whole spices such as star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cardamom pods until they release their aromatic oils. Finally, blanch your beef bones for about 10 minutes, then rinse them clean to ensure a clear, pure broth. Now, combine your blanched bones, charred aromatics, and toasted spices in a large pot. Cover everything with cold water and bring it to a gentle simmer. Maintain this low simmer for at least 6 hours, or even longer, to extract all the wonderful flavors. Remember to regularly skim any foam or impurities that rise to the surface for a beautifully clear broth. While your broth simmers, prepare your rice noodles. If using dried noodles, soak them in warm water, then blanch briefly before serving. For the meat, thinly slice raw beef like I have round against the grain. This ensures tender bites. Also, prepare your fresh garnishes, including cilantro, basil, lime wedges, and bean sprouts for a vibrant finish. To assemble your pho, place a generous portion of cooked rice noodles into a large bowl. Arrange the thinly sliced raw beef over the noodles. Then, ladle the piping hot, simmering broth directly over the beef. The heat of the broth will gently cook the meat to perfection. Finish with your fresh garnishes and a squeeze of lime for an authentic and delicious experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.